Welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this Oneplus Buds Pro. So in this case, the charging case is completely bad. The battery of this charging case is completely dead. So the case is not working completely. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery of this Oneplus Buds Pro charging case. So I have original battery. So this is the original battery of this Oneplus Buds Pro. So this is the model number 631940 ICP7/19/40. So the rated capacity is 520 milliamperes. 1.976 watt-hour battery. So typical capacity is 525 milliamperes and 1.995 watt-hour. So remaining things you can pass and just go through it. So this is the original battery of this Oneplus Buds Pro charging case. So I'm going to use this battery to install in this case. So without wasting any time, let me start. So now I'm going to open the case lid here. I'm going to take these earbuds and keep it separately. So simply we have to pry from here. You can see it's very easy. So in case if you want me to replace the batteries of this charging case or earbud, please do message on this above WhatsApp number which is given here. So you can see it has come out already. So further I am going to take here. So there are many flux cables running around behind this case. So make sure you are not going to break this. If you have doubt, then you can send it here to me. I am located here in Bangalore. I can replace the batteries behalf of you. So alright, so like this I have to like this I have opened it. So you can see, as I said, flux cable is going here. There is one flux cable here and there is one more flux cable here. So these are very delicate products. So if you want me to replace the batteries of this type of earbuds and this type of charging case like Oneplus Buds Pro, Oneplus Buds Pro 2, Oneplus Buds Pro 3 or similar models, so alright. So I am located here in Bangalore. You can ship it from any part of India to my place. I can replace the batteries and I can send it back. So now we have to take out these two screws here. This is Phillips screws. So I am going to use Phillips screwdriver here. So before that I want to simply take out this flux cable. So I am going to lift here and simply pull this. So this part I have taken out. I am going to keep this separately. So further there is one more flux cable which is glued here. We have to clean the glue here and we have to take out these two screws. Let me take this out. So I have taken the screws here. So before that I have to take this flux cable, otherwise it will break. So we have to lift the lock like this, as I am showing now, like this, and we have to pull this, but this will not come out easily because you can see the white glue is here. So this glue I have to clean. So let me clean this glue and I will take this out. So I have cleaned the glue. Now simply I am going to pull this. So you can see the flux cable is coming here. So that's it. Now we can lift this part here. So let me lift it like this. So you can see the battery is here. So where is my battery here? So this is the battery which I am going to use. You can see both are same, 100% original battery of this Oneplus Buds Pro. I have batteries for this Oneplus Buds Pro 2. If you want me to replace the battery, you can send it to me. I am located here in Bangalore. You can ship it from any part of India. You can send it through Speed Post Courier, which is accessible to all the pin codes, entirely available in India. So alright. So further now I have to take this battery out. And this is the two terminals. I have to clean this white part, you can see here. So two terminals, these two wires are soldered over there. So I have to clean this white glue. Let me clean and come here. So I have cleaned the connecting wires here, battery wires. So I have to desolder this. Let me desolder these two wires here. So I have taken the negative wire here. Similarly I am going to take out the positive wire here. So I have taken out. So now simply lifting like this, board will come separately. So I can take out the battery here. So this has been placed in the place holder. So simply by lifting like this, it will come out easily. You can do it by yourself if you want. If you want batteries, I can ship it to you. So this is the battery. So alright, this battery is pasted to this housing. So I am just going to simply lift this battery here like this. That's it. And you can see the battery VDL. The battery which I am going to use is also VDL like this. Let me show you. So you can see this is the fresh battery. So I am going to use this battery here. Let me keep this separately. So again I am going to install this battery in the placeholder, the housing, and simply I am going to keep it here, and I have to solder these 2 points here. So let me solder this, and as well as I have to connect this flex cable here. So let me connect this here as well. Now I am going to solder these wires here. So plus has gone to plus and minus will go to minus here. So that's it. So let me put the screws back to its place. There are 2 screws. So let me install this flex cable I have already installed here. So let me install the 2 screws here which I have taken. So screws has been installed. Now it's time to install this housing. So there is flex cable here. So let me install this here. So alright, you can see I have installed this flex cable. Now simply I have to keep here and just press it so that this will get locked. So now moment of truth. Let's see the working functionality. So let me close the case here. So you can see green light has come here. So this is working perfectly. So let me connect the charger and see. So now connecting the cable here. You can see it has started charging. So red light is glowing here. So that's it. The charging case is working. So that's it for this video. So if you want me to replace the battery of this Oneplus Buds Pro, so this is the original battery available here in AudioViz 360. So if you want me to replace the battery, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. You can ship it from any part of India to Bangalore. I can replace and I can ship it back to you. So in case if you find the battery is the issue, so even if you want to buy the battery, please do message to this above WhatsApp number. I can ship it to your address. That's it for this video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.